A ustedes les, ... A ustedes les. So this is similar to a vosotros os, but this one is used in Latin America, okay? All Latin America. A ustedes les. It means, yeah, you as well. I'm just trying to think if in Argentina they use this, because I know they have el voceo, but yeah, I mean, it's commonly used in Latin America. Okay, a ustedes les. A ustedes les. Now, let's see some examples. A ustedes les gusta las papas. A ustedes les gusta las papas. This means you like potatoes. Very simple, very simple. Very interesting too, because we have this phrase here. A ustedes les. You, just you. I was gonna say gusta, but I mean like, but no. Gusta means like. Okay, once again, we just remove the letter R if we're doing present tense. So a ustedes les gusta means you like. And once again, guys, we're talking about a group of people, not only you, one person. It's a group of people, more than one. Las papas, potatoes. Okay, so a ustedes les gusta las papas. Very good, very important to have the definite article here, especially when using gustar. Okay, you have the definite article las, plural, and then you have papas, which means it's a noun and it means potatoes. Okay, a ustedes les gusta las papas. You like potatoes. Okay, now the next one, the next example. Oops, wrong layer. A ustedes les pasó lo mismo. A ustedes les pasó lo mismo. This means, did the same happen to you, guys? You know, group of people. We're talking about a group of people. So let's break this down. A ustedes les, you know what this means. A ustedes les, you. Or in this situation, oh yeah, it's just you. Pasó, by the way. Pasó, perfect tense. And this means did happen to. Okay, did happen to. A ustedes les pasó lo mismo. Lo mismo is a phrase that means the same. Okay, the same. And it's a question. So once again, it can be, you can use this phrase in questions or just, you know, regular sentences, statements and whatnot. So very interesting. The only difference is just the question marks here. Okay, so same structure, you just need to add the question marks. Okay, a ustedes les pasó lo mismo. Did the same happen to you? That's what this phrase means. This sentence means. Now, you can remove a ustedes and right here as well, a ustedes. Okay, and you can say les gusta las papas. You like potatoes. Or les pasó lo mismo. Did the same happen to you? Okay, so very good to know this. It's, I mean, it makes Spanish easier because sometimes it's like, why are we using les? Why are we using us? Why are we using me? Right? So now you know why you have les here. Les. This is important to have. This is optional. Okay? But either way works fine. Either way is common. So it's up to you what you want to say